Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a public figure on Snapchat. First, you'll want to understand why a public profile is beneficial. It allows you to reach a wider audience beyond your friends. Next, confirm your account meets the basic eligibility requirements, such as being over 18 years old and having a certain number of followers. Then, we'll guide you through the initial steps within your Snapchat profile settings to start the creation process. Once you've initiated the public profile creation, it's time to personalize it. Choose a high-quality profile photo that represents you or your brand well. Craft a concise and engaging bio that tells viewers what your content is about. Don't forget to select relevant categories for your profile, which helps new viewers discover you. You can also link other social media platforms to your profile, making it easier for your audience to connect with you across different channels. Building a strong public profile on Snapchat requires consistent effort. Focus on creating engaging and original content that resonates with your target audience. Regularly interact with your viewers by responding to comments and messages, fostering a sense of community. Share your Snapchat public profile link on your other social media platforms to drive traffic and attract new followers. Remember, consistency and interaction are key to expanding your reach and influence. To truly maximize your Snapchat public profile, dive into the analytics provided by the platform. These insights can help you understand what content performs best and when your audience is most active. Consider collaborating with other creators to cross-promote each other's content, introducing your profiles to new audiences. Also, for those looking to enhance their daily life, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals in the description below. Keep experimenting with new features to keep your content fresh and engaging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.